Today I read this with a very happy heart. This way of life that the secret has taught me is really the one all should pursue. There will be doubts, there will be so many apprehensions, but after using it for the last year, I have absolutely become sure that the law of attraction works. There is simply no doubt. So, the story I would like to share is about my love, my girl, whom I love madly, blindly, and unconditionally. After 9 years of relationship, the things between us started going bad. In fact, I would say they had been going bad for a very long time, but they started getting worse. I had read The Secret when I was younger and had used it to bring so many things into my life. Even my girl came into my life because of it. She was everything I had imagined. But as years passed by, I started forgetting those things and the bad results followed. Since we had been in relationship for 7-8 years, we really wanted to get married but could not do so because of various uncontrollable circumstances. She and I tried to change the things but were often left complaining and frustrated. I would put more of the blame on me because I let my mind do whatever it wanted. As things spiraled down more, there finally came a day when she said she did not want me anymore, and talking to me spoiled her mood. She said she felt much happier alone and did not want to be with me anymore. Things had become so ugly that I knew I would not get her back. She had said so many rude and harsh things in the last few days, and the night we broke up was so tough for me. I recall how I had earlier created things for myself using the secret. So I pulled out the power and the magic from my cupboard. I had both of these but had long forgotten them. I also started watching videos about the law of attraction. I watched the secret movie again. Every free minute of my day went into reading these books, watching those videos or practicing the things I learned. I started writing in my journal every morning, listing the things I was thankful for in my life. My morning routine comprised of waking up, thanking God for every single thing I could think of, visualization and exercise. My focus on my health and body increased, and I started enjoying my own company. I used to meditate a lot in my free time. I started believing that my girl was back with me. I put her number back into favorites in my phone app and thanked God every time I saw her picture. I thanked God for getting a call from her, even though I did not get one. I cleaned my room and made space for her things, just the way she would have done had she been with me. Slowly, I started getting happier. Slowly, there came a phase where I was very happy with my life. Occasionally, I would get sad, but I would lift myself up again and get back to my journey towards happiness. My confidence was high. All I had to do was to let it go so that I was no longer attached to the outcome. I felt as if I was living the life I wanted. I love myself and everyone around me. I follow every single thing I learned from the secret, the power, the magic, and the power of subconscious mind. And today, with God's utmost blessing, I'm married to her. Yes, we got married, and right now she is sleeping beside me as I write this. It was a beautiful wedding. Our families were extremely happy, just the way I had imagined. Now she is my wife, and all my dreams have come true. This is the best gift I have ever gotten, and I cannot thank God enough. Thank you so much, Rhonda Brent, for writing this secret. It was a life changing book for me. It put me on the path to happiness. I have become such a firm believer in the law of attraction and have learned so much more about it. Thank you so much. Thank you from my heart.